How to fix Samsung TV Plus app not working. 1. Power cycle your Samsung TV. Note, you discharge or cold boot your Samsung TV. 2. Clear existing TV cache. Path, settings TV device manager. 3. Use the Google DNS, 8.8.8.8. Path, settings network status IP settings DNS settings. 4. Update your Samsung TV firmware. 5. Perform a Smart Hub connection test. Path, settings support self-diagnostics. 6. Disable IPv6 in TV expert network settings. Path, settings general network. Refer to the IMG below. 7. Check then readjust the date and time settings of your TV. Path, settings general system manager time clock apply manual clock mode. 8. Reset your Samsung TV network settings. 9. Reset Samsung Smart Hub to the defaults. 10. Factory reset your Samsung TV. 11. Change from aerial type to terrestrial in broadcasting.